Demo day, not really. All I have to do is move those shelves behind me and not too much to it, just some hammers, a cat scratcher, a cat claw, that's what this thing's called, and a hammer, and just nothing but brute force from me. So let's get started. Overall, didn't come out too bad. There's a little boo-boo right there. That's easy to fix, not too many nail damage. I just thought it was odd he did the whole thing with nails as opposed to screws, but kind of made it easier with my brute force I have, so worked out pretty good. Next phase is probably to be spackling and then painting. Definitely think I'm gonna do a gray like that. That's a little dark, so I think I'm gonna lighten it up with a lighter gray. Demo day is over. It was a blast. On the camera, it took me about 37 minutes to do that. I probably wouldn't have been able to do that with the strict diet I'm on with my performance. So probably a new record for this brewery, 37 minutes total teardown. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.